Brand Samsung. Model name A14 5G. Wireless carrier. More information unlocked for all carriers. Operating system. More information Android 13.0. Cellular Technology. More information 5G. Memory storage capacity. More information 64 GB. Connectivity technology Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB. Color black. Screen size 6.6 inches. Wireless network technology GSM. Long-lasting battery. Stay ready for today's surprises with the fast-charging long-lasting battery of Galaxy A14 5G. Confidently handle work while on the go and play your favorite games with a battery that gives your charger a break. Other camera description front, rear. 5G at your fingertips. Enjoy playing games and streaming with virtually lag-free 5G and the fast, reliable processor of Galaxy A14 5G. Download and share content quickly with a phone that keeps up with the speed of life. Expandable storage. Live and relive your favorite experiences with the expandable memory of Galaxy A14 5G. Savor those unforgettable moments with 64 GB of internal memory and room for up to 1 TB more when you add a microSD card. Versatile camera experience. Capture amazing selfies with a 13MP front camera and get all the action, whether that's the bright smiles of friends or stunning sunsets in high res that will take people's breath away. Infinite display. Press play and experience games and videos like never before with a 6.6-inch edge-to-edge screen. Catch all the details and an adaptive 90Hz Infinity VFHD Plus display that makes enjoying your favorite shows easy. Stylish, durable, practical. Take on your day confidently with the durable, modern design of Galaxy A14 5G. Fit with a simple yet classy finish. It's sure to impress and slide in and out of your hands with ease. Videos calls go with you. Keep your group conversations going with Google Meet. When switching devices, use Google Meet to start a video chat on your tab, and then continue the call on your phone as you head out the door. Fast file transfers. Send your files to another Galaxy device with quick share. Transfer a photo or video from your Galaxy phone, tab, or book to other nearby Galaxy devices and vice versa. It's super easy to move files.